Ito tayo guys, Tim Hortons. Dozen of donut please. 6 pieces of Boston cream.
Guys, wajud ko ilabot na guys.
Ito tayo. Para masanay tayo mag-English. Dozen of donut please.
Good evening, what can I get for you?
A dozen of donut please.
A dozen donut?
Yep.
You want assorted?
Assorted and 6 pieces of Boston cream.
I'm sorry?
6 pieces of Boston cream.
Let me double check if we have enough for you.
Alright.
For the Boston cream, we just have 3 of them.
It's alright.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay, but I just put in a box for you. So 3 Boston cream, and how about the next one?
Assorted.
The rest assorted?
Yeah.
Anything else you like?
That's it.
Thank you, sir. See you at the window.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Filipino. Filipino.
Hi, assorted donuts.
Yeah, thank you.
You have to read what app?
What's up?
Do you have to read what app?
No, no. Magandang buhay.